Hi, in this lesson, we will learn about the course information meta block. So, course information block and course information meta blocks are almost similar. So, you can add the course information meta block on your AFU pages. For example, you have a custom sales page, and that time you can add a specific course information meta block on that page. For example, you can see I have a college planning course and I added a small sales content here and I added this in course information so that my student can understand the college planning course information from here, the estimated time of my course, the difficulty level, categories, tags. So what you have to do, you have to visit a page where you want to show a specific course information meta. So I will show it here because I have the sales content here. So I will click on this plus icon to add the course information meta block. So I search for it, course information. Here you can see the course meta information. So what I will do now, you can see it's showing that no course selected. So from the right side, you can see course meta info settings. Here we can select a specific course that we want to show. So I will select my specific course that will be college planning. So here you can see the course information meta. You can modify this for if you want. I can align it middle. Then you can see here we have a styles button. You can style it. I would love to add a background color here and then I'll update it. And if I visit my page again and refresh it, here is the course information meta block.